Good morning, student. In last topic, study about different life process in living organism. Those living organism which are found in our surrounding, like different microorganism, different plants, different animals, and human being. These are known as living organism. In that living organism, there are various life processes. And study about these life processes in that chapter, like transportation of various substances in that living organism, transportation of food material in a plant, how the food material transported in a plant. We know that these plants are known as heterotrophs, and that's why these plants synthesize its own food material by the process of photosynthesis, and then these food material transported towards the various parts of plant by phloem cell. Then water and minerals absorbed by the root system, and by that root system transported these water and minerals towards the various parts of plant. That is known as transportation. This is one of the most important process in a plant. How the transportation of various substances in a plant. This is one of the most important life process in a plant. Then second most important process in case of human being. How the transportation occurs in human being? The transportation of various substances carried out by blood circulatory system. The various substances mix in blood, and by blood circulatory system transported these substances towards the various part of human being, towards the various cell, towards the various organ. Now we know that digested food material mix in blood, oxygen mix in blood, various hormones mix in blood, undigested food material mix in blood, and by that blood circulatory systems various endocrine glands secretes various enzymes, and these enzymes are also mixed in blood, and by blood circulatory system now these substances transported towards the various organ, various cell by blood circulatory system. That is known as transportation. Most important life process in a plant, in human being. Second important life process in case of human being and plant, that is known as excretion. Excretion, those unwanted material, harmful substances present in our body, present in a plant. Now these harmful substances eliminated, given outside the body by various organ, that is known as excretion. For example, in case of sweat, harmful substances in case of urea. Now these harmful substances given outside the body by the process that is known as excretion. In case of plant, excretion carried out by various organ, excretion carried out by leaf, excretion carried out by stem, excretion carried out by fruits, excretion carried out by root, that is known as excretory organs. There are different excretory organs present in different living organism. That is the second important life process in a plant in case of human being. Third important life process, that is known as coordination. How the coordination occurs in plant, how the coordination occurs in case of human being. There are two types of coordination in human being, that is known as nervous control and coordination, and chemical control and coordination. Nervous control and coordination, most important part in nervous control and coordination, that is a brain. Central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, autonomous nervous system, and control and coordination of various activities by brain. That is known as nervous control and coordination. And chemical control and coordination, those endocrine glands present in our body. Now these endocrine glands secretes various hormones, and by that hormones control and coordination in a human being. That is a different life process. Life process in living organism. After complete the process of life process in living organism, now start the heredity and variations. In case of heredity and variations, study about the heredity. Study about the variations. What is meant by heredity? How these characters are passes to the next generation. Which characters are passes to the next generation, and how passes these characters from parent to their offspring. How the variations are occurs in that species of living organism in environment. How the minor variation, major variations, how the similarity, differences occurs in that living organism. That is a variations. A study about the variations. Then, what is meant by chromosomes? Types of chromosome, where these chromosomes are occurs. Then, study about the DNA and RNA. What is meant by DNA? What is meant by RNA? What are the functions of that DNA and RNA? And then, mechanism of heredity. Mendel's monohybrid cross and Mendel's dihybrid cross. By that, Mendel's monohybrid cross and Mendel's dihybrid cross. Now these mechanism firstly proposed by Mendel scientist. Mendel's, that's why the name of that law, that is known as Mendel's monohybrid law, Mendel monohybrid cross, Mendel's dihybrid cross. And by that process, how these characters passes from one generation into another generation by Mendel's monohybrid cross and Mendel dihybrid cross. And lastly, in that chapter, study about some diseases due to the abnormality of that chromosome. Various diseases occurs in different living organisms by abnormality of that chromosome. For example, Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, Klinefelter syndromes, anemia, albinism. These are known as different diseases, and these diseases occurs due to the abnormality of chromosome. Now here study about the heredity. In heredity, those living organism occurs in our surrounding. These living organisms, in case of microorganism, in case of plant, in case of animals, all these living organisms are occurs. There are various variations in that living organism. Different variations in that living organism. How these variations are occurs in that living organism? Now the most important life process in that living organism, that is known as reproduction. Reproduction. What is meant by reproduction? We know that production of new organism which are similar to themselves, that process is known as reproduction process. Production of new organism which are similar to themselves, that process is known as reproduction. Now this is one of the most important life process in all living organism. Reproduction occurs in microorganism. Reproduction occurs in case of plant. Reproduction occurs in case of animal, and reproduction occurs in case of human being. In case of human being, there are two types of that reproduction. That is known as asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction mostly found in case of unicellular living organism. Different unicellular living organism, for example, various protozoa, amoeba, paramecium, euglena, these are known as unicellular living organism. These are known as various protozoa, and in that protozoa occurs the asexual reproduction. We know that in case of asexual reproduction, without union of gamete, new individuals are formed. Means in asexual reproduction, single individual involved, and by that individual to produce a new organism. That's why minor variation occurs in that living organism. Minor variations. More similarity occurs in that living organism. Those living organisms which are produced by asexual reproduction. Because from single individual to produce another new offspring. That's why all characters passes from that individual to the offspring. That's why minor variation occurs in that living organism in asexual reproduction. But in case of sexual reproduction, we know that sexual reproduction, union of male and female gamete. Male and female gamete. Union of male and female gamete, and to produce a new offspring, zygote. From that zygotes to new offspring. That's why major variation occurs in that living organism. Major variations. Because some characters passes from that male and some characters passes from this female. That's why major variation in next offspring. Those offsprings are produced in that offspring. Major variations. Because some characters from male and some characters from female. That is known as sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction mostly found in case of human being. Sexual reproduction mostly found in case of animal. Sexual reproduction occurs in case of plant. In case of multicellular living organism. Asexual reproduction occurs in case of unicellular living organism. There are various methods of asexual reproduction. For example, binary fission, multiple fission, fragmentation, spore formation, vegetative propagation. These are known as different methods of asexual reproduction. And in that asexual reproduction, single individual involves. That's why minor variation occurs in that offspring. And sexual reproduction, two individuals are involved, and from that two individuals to produce a single offspring. And that's why characters passes from male and female to that offspring. That's why major variations occurs in that living organism. Variations. How the variations are occurs in that living organism. Those living organisms which are found in our surrounding. Plant, animals, microorganism, human being. Different variations of species of that living organism. That's why major, minor variations occurs in that living organism. Due to the heredity. Reproduction. Then heredity transfers the various hereditary characters, physical characters, different mental characters, different characters. Now these characters passes from parent to their offspring. These characters passes from one generation into another generation. That is known as inheritance. That is known as heredity. Now these characters passes, some are passes from parent to their offspring. These characters are present on chromosome. How these characters are passes? Now similar characters, similarity or dissimilarity due to the heredity transfers the characters from parent to their offspring. That is known as heredity. Mechanism of heredity. Similarity and dissimilarity due to the heredity. These characters from parent to their or pass from parent to their offspring. That's why similarity, dissimilarity, variations occurs in species of different living organism in an environment. That is known as heredity. Now, how these characters are passes from parent to their offspring? How these characters are passes from parent to their offspring? Now, these characters are passes from parent to their offspring by chromosome. by chromosome.
15